Man, what you doing?
Hey, they chicken sliders, man.
What are you talking about?
I've been waiting for it like a long line. You search the world and you won't find a nigga like me with a swagger like mine. A brother so free and a nigga so fly. I'ma give you my heart, I'ma give you my time, and I promise always.
Yo, it's your boy Tyrell. And today we got another Does It Taste Like video. Right here I got some crispy chicken sliders by Gardein. I seen these in Target, man, and I was like, you know what? Just look at that, man. It looks so delicious. And I'm actually gonna make it how it looks on the box, man. It looks so good. I was like, I gotta try it out. I gotta see what the hype is about. So it's vegan friendly. As you guys know, I've tried a few Gardein products on my channel. I did the meatballs. I did their crispy chicken tenders. Oh, that's interesting. So it comes with the bun and the patty. It doesn't come with the lettuce and tomato that you see there. But I'm gonna add that. 2-in-1. When I was a kid, man, my mom used to get these like little breakfast sandwiches. I think they were by like Jimmy Dean, and they came like wrapped like this. They also had chicken versions of these too, so hopefully these taste good. Now the instructions say you gotta warm up the bun in the microwave for about 60 seconds. They already kind of thawed out though, because I had them out for a little bit, but I'll probably just cook them on the skillet. So I'm gonna put these in the microwave for 60 seconds. Let it thaw out a little bit. That's what the instructions say on the box. Put it in the microwave for 60 seconds, and then we put it on the oven. So y'all stay tuned. Here we go. Got these crispy chicken patties, microwave for 60 seconds. Now I'm about to go ahead and put them up on here. They smell pretty good, man. Like I said, I'm like Gardein, they've been proven to me already. They have some nice stuff. Everything I've tried from Gardein so far has been really good. I'm gonna cook these on each side for about 2 minutes, and then we're gonna toast the buns. I'm gonna show you guys when I toast the buns. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and put the bread on there. Chicken is already done. I'm gonna go ahead and let this cook up. I'm gonna plate it, and then I'm gonna show you guys what it look like. Y'all stay tuned. All right. As you see, guys, we made it look just like the box. Roland helped me with this. Just like the box, guys. So Gardein, if you wanna hire us to make your sandwiches look just like the box, call me. All right, that's all you gotta do. Let's get into this, shall we? Wow. That's damn good, man. Yeah. Guys. 10 out of 10. Cut the video. 10 out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Comment down below if you tried this, man. And I will see y'all next video. What are you talking about?
What are you talking about?